As Georgia takes its first steps to reopen from the coronavirus crisis, Florida is taking a more cautious approach. It includes making sure more people in the state get tested for COVID-19.
I was surprised by it, but I think it was really only a matter of time until it happened.
Governor Ron DeSantis announced a plan today to let pharmacies test for COVID-19. And it came on the same day the U.S. officially passed 50,000 deaths from the virus.
The governor's plan came in the form of a directive to pharmacies across the state.
Consider how to offer COVID-19 testing. The state of Florida stands ready to help, but that would make this much easier if we had those folks engaged in this where people could be able to get a test there.
News4Jax reporter Eric Avanier is here with the reaction to the announcement that should make testing more accessible for people. Eric?
Yes, less than an hour after that announcement was made, I spoke with a pharmacist who said, yes, it's a great idea, but he also warned that if any pharmacists decide to take on such a task, they will definitely have to prepare for it. Here at North Beach Pharmacy, pharmacist Michael Hauser is reacting to an announcement by Governor DeSantis to authorize licensed pharmacies to administer COVID-19 tests to take some of the burden off of healthcare workers already administering the test in hospitals and at drive-up test sites.
I was surprised by it, but I think it was really only a matter of time until it happened. I mean, pharmacies have always been the most readily available healthcare facility.
Of course, if any pharmacy decides that this is what they want to do, they will definitely have to prepare for it. Meaning COVID-19 testing is not as simple as one may think when you have to consider the safety of not only other customers, but also pharmacy employees by making sure they have enough personal protection equipment.
There's a big difference between having enough PPE for your employees when they have minimal patient contact, as pharmacies are now, where you can reuse a mask for like a whole week potentially, as compared to needing a new mask every day.
Hauser says pharmacies that decide to take on this task will also have to consider if employees will need to wear shields to cover their eyes. The pharmacies will also have to alter their cleaning practices to keep up with the number of people who come to get tested. And right now, it's unclear if pharmacies would administer the swab testing in the mouth or nose or the blood test by pricking the finger. Now, during that news conference today, the governor also mentioned that he is looking forward to the point where many folks will be able to simply test themselves from the comforts of their own home. Reporting live, Eric Avanier, Channel 4, the local station.